Let me share you a quick story. I wanted to learn Python but struggled to find the right resources. I tried everything: books, online tutorials, even YouTube videos, but nothing seemed to click. Then I discovered ChatGPT. In just a few weeks, I went from struggling with the basics to writing my own JavaScripts. Today, I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to master Python just like I did. When it comes to learning Python, there are typically two paths you can take. One is a traditional way, having a tutor to guide you through the concepts step by step. The other more modern approach is using ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool can serve as your personal tutor, answering your questions, explaining complex topics, and helping you practice your coding skills at any time. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you need to know how to ask the right questions. The key to effective learning with ChatGPT lies in crafting good prompts. A well-thought-out prompt can guide the AI to give you detailed, understandable, and actionable responses. Let me show you how. Let's say you are a beginner and you want to understand the basics of Python. Instead of simply asking how to learn Python, you could say, I want to learn Python end-to-end. Can you create a roadmap for me? Here's some information to help. First, I am a beginner or intermediate or advanced learner. Second, my goal is to describe your goal. Example, become a data scientist, develop web applications, automate tasks. Third, I prefer to learn through hands-on practice or video tutorials, reading, etc. Fourth, I can dedicate specific amount of time, daily or weekly. Fifth, I also want to focus on don't know or specific areas or topics of interest. Can you provide a step-by-step plan to help me achieve my goal? You can find this prompt in the description below. As you progress, you can use ChatGPT for more advanced topics. For example, you might ask, how do I create a Python function that takes two arguments and returns their sum? Or, what are Python decorators and how can they be used to modify functions? These kinds of questions help you deepen your understanding of Python as you learn. While ChatGPT is an excellent tool for learners, there are some topics in Python that are difficult to master on your own. Complex subjects like object-oriented programming, advanced data structures, or multi-threading can benefit from a structured learning approach. That's why we have created a course called the Complete Python Development Masterclass. This course covers everything you need to know about Python, from basics to more advanced topics, with clear explanations and hands-on projects to solidify your learning. In this course, you will learn the topics that can easily be self-taught, like building complex applications, understanding Python's memory management, or mastering error handling. If you are serious about becoming a Python developer, this course will give you the comprehensive knowledge and skills you need. Check out the Complete Python Development Masterclass, link in the description below. And don't forget to use my coupon code PythonHubSub for flat 25% off. So, whether you are just starting out or looking to take your Python skills to the next level, ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource. But remember, the key isn't how you ask the questions. The better your prompts, the better your learning experience will be. And if you ever feel like you need more structured guidance, don't hesitate to check out our Python course. If this video helped you understand how to use ChatGPT for learning Python, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else on their coding journey. And of course, subscribe to Python Hub for more tips, tutorials, and courses that will help you become a Python pro. See you in the next video.